Started the 17th of March 2024. Day 1. 7 a.m. Started the Bentley. We'll do it as per each stage. Step by step as per instructions. Added bracing to areas of the engine to stabilise fitting with balsa wood. Began the gluing process prior to painting. Now begins the waiting for glue to dry and paint to dry process. First few photos. Set up and glue stages. Two-stage engine sump gluing. Due to ill fitting, we'll have to fill gaps later. Getting the sprue glue ready. Masking to preserve details before filling and filing. Leave till morning to dry. End of day 1. 6:15 p.m. Day 2. 8:30 a.m. Cleaned and then painted. Using an old cheap brush. .50/50ths enamel with thinners. Day 3. 8 a.m. Smoothed out some gritty bits. Matte black over everything. Day 4. 7:30 a.m. First silver Humbrels 11 enamel. 100% coat. Day 5. 9 a.m. Humbrels 11. This time a 50/50ths mix with thinners. Day 6. 8:30 a.m. All taped up using Tamiya masking tape. Ready for the matte black paint. Oops. Masked in the wrong place. Day 7. 7:40 a.m. About to correct paint errors and tidy up edges. Day 8. 8 a.m. Everything gets a rub down with some polish. All glued. Had to drill out holes for the tube at the bottom. Wait for glue to dry fully. Then start on part 2. Please like and subscribe to see the next stage.